Imagine just for a second the current state of the premium SUV market. You've got your legacy brands, these deeply established expectations, and a very, very rigid idea of exactly what quality is supposed to cost. Well, welcome to this explainer. Today, we're going to unpack a massive disruption that is absolutely shaking up the 2026 premium SUV market. The whole automotive landscape has shifted way faster than anyone anticipated. And right at the epicenter of this earthquake is a vehicle called the Jaecoo J6. Now, some folks are calling it the biggest threat traditional brands have seen in decades, while others, they just dismiss it as pure marketing hype. So today, we're putting all that aside to look strictly at the facts, cut right through the noise, and decode exactly what this changing landscape means for you. $80,000. I mean, think about it. If you were looking for top-tier engineering, premium materials, and genuine off-road capability just a few years ago, you were mentally preparing your wallet to take a hit of 60, 70, or maybe even 80 grand. You fully expected to pay a massive premium because, well, you believed you were buying the absolute best engineering money could buy. But what if you could get that advanced engineering, all the modern tech, and a genuinely premium interior for almost half that price? That is the dramatic price comparison that makes the Jaecoo J6 basically impossible to ignore. For years, buying an SUV followed a pretty predictable formula, right? If you wanted bulletproof reliability, you went straight to Toyota. If your priority was luxury, you looked at a BMW or a Mercedes. Wanted to hit the trails, Land Rover or Jeep were your go-to options. And Chinese brands, honestly, they were largely dismissed as cheap copies with questionable quality. But guys, that outdated formula has completely shattered. The 2026 SUV market is a totally new reality. And the crazy thing is, a lot of buyers are still operating on those old, expired rules. Section 1, the surface and the hook. The J6 immediately shatters that old stereotype of the cheap Chinese copy. I mean, when you look at it, it's bold, it's rugged, and most importantly, it actually looks expensive. It features those highly sought-after square proportions and incredibly clean, modern lighting. It has a design that doesn't feel like it's trying to imitate anyone else, you know? It really has its own personality. It's not trying to be a fake Range Rover or knockoff Bronco. It completely stands on its own. But while the surface is what hooks the buyer in the showroom, the biggest surprise about this vehicle is actually what you cannot see. Section 2, under the skin, the engineering. Instead of relying on a heavy, traditional steel platform, the Jaecoo J6 utilizes an aluminium-intensive chassis. Now, why is this such a big deal? Well, premium manufacturers have used aluminium for years, specifically because it is not a cheap material. It's an incredibly advanced engineering choice designed to drop a vehicle's weight without compromising its structural strength. So, seeing an aluminium chassis pop up in a vehicle at this highly accessible price point, that is a massive shift in the industry standard, and it immediately commands attention. And the benefits of this aluminum engineering are totally cascading. Because the SUV is lighter, it inherently boasts better efficiency and quicker acceleration. It improves the handling dynamics, making the whole vehicle feel way more agile. But perhaps most importantly for your wallet, a lighter vehicle puts significantly less stress on crucial wear components over time. Your suspension doesn't have to work as hard, and your brakes don't have to stop nearly as much mass. So this isn't just about showing off a flashy spec sheet. This is brilliant engineering that fundamentally creates a better, much more durable drive. Section 3, the hidden debts, true costs. Now, smart buyers know that you should never, ever buy a car based on just one headline feature. The purchase price? That's really just the entry fee. You have to look at the complete 5-year ownership experience. What are the insurance premiums going to look like? What are the routine maintenance requirements? Is there a robust network for replacement parts? Will the manufacturer actually provide ongoing software support? And crucially, what is the resale value and the reality of repair costs? If you truly want to know if a vehicle is actually affordable, these are the metrics you absolutely must measure. Which leads us to a highly critical question that you literally must ask before signing any paperwork. What happens after an accident? So here is the double-edged sword of that incredible engineering we were just talking about. Yes, the pros of aluminum are fantastic, right? Lighter weight, longer-lasting brakes, and a much more durable suspension under normal driving conditions. However, the drawback is that unlike conventional steel, repairing aluminum often requires highly specialized equipment and specifically trained technicians. This means that even a relatively minor fender bender can become wildly expensive if your local repair shops aren't equipped to handle aluminum structures. The takeaway here? Call your insurance company to check on premium and repair cost comparisons before you buy. Seriously, that single phone call could literally save you thousands of dollars down the road.
Section 4. The cabin and the competition.
If we rewind just 5 years ago, it was pretty common for people to laugh at the interior quality of Chinese vehicles. But just look at the features defining this 2026 upscale cabin. We are talking about massive, crisp digital displays, genuinely quality materials throughout all the touchpoints, highly comfortable seating, and a full suite of advanced driver assistance systems. The whole environment feels clean, modern, and honestly incredibly upscale. This is a massive leap in manufacturing quality that completely strips away that old, budget-focused feel. And frankly, it is exactly why premium European brands are sweating right now. And that brings up a really fascinating truth about the modern car market. The badge may impress your neighbors, but your mechanic will probably be the happiest person in town. After all, someone has to pay for their boat, right? We so often fall into the trap of thinking a respected luxury badge automatically guarantees a better ownership experience. But as we are about to see, the shiny allure of European luxury can hide a very, very bleak reality once you are off the dealership lot. Beware the expired warranty nightmare. So many buyers are tempted to buy an older, premium European SUV on the used market just because the badge carries prestige. But man, once that warranty expires, it frequently turns into an absolute financial disaster. You are suddenly exposed to catastrophic air suspension failures, incredibly complex and difficult to diagnose electronics issues, transmission repairs that cost as much as a small car, and punishingly high dealer labor rates. What felt like a bargain purchase initially can drain your bank account faster than you can even imagine. And that is exactly why we need to actively reframe our buying criteria. The old question was all about vanity, right? Which SUV looks more expensive? But the smart question, the one that actually protects your wallet and your peace of mind, is which SUV will still make sense after 5 years of ownership? The Jaecoo J6 is forcing its way right into this exact conversation. If they can prove long-term reliability, keep their software updated, and establish a solid, affordable parts network, they aren't just selling a car anymore. They are completely redefining midsize SUV expectations altogether. Section 5. The Smart Buyer's Verdict. Look, despite all the impressive engineering and disruptive pricing, we cannot let social media excitement replace common sense here. Early production vehicles, and this goes for literally any brand, sometimes reveal issues that no amount of laboratory testing could ever predict. Software bugs will invariably appear. Small manufacturing defects will surface as these cars actually hit the real world. Parts availability, that's going to take time to evolve. This is just a universal truth of the automotive industry, not just a warning for new brands. You absolutely have to approach any first-generation vehicle with a healthy dose of caution. So to protect yourself, you need an essential smart buyer strategy. Step 1, wait for real, everyday owners to accumulate actual mileage on these vehicles. Step 2, closely monitor independent reliability reports as that data starts coming in. And step 3, actively compare the maintenance records of this vehicle against its established competitors. Chasing the latest trend might give you a temporary thrill, but patience is what actually saves you money in the long run. Let the early adopters do the beta testing for you. The SUV landscape of 2026 is completely unrecognizable from a decade ago. We are seeing this incredible engineering democratization where premium features are no longer locked behind an $80,000 paywall. But as the traditional power structures of the automotive world continue to collapse and these new challengers rise, well, that brings us to something almost nobody expected. What happens when these new, disruptive brands suddenly become the legacy establishment themselves? We'll leave you to think about that one. Thanks for joining this explainer, and we will catch you next time as we continue to decode the changing world around us.